The OnePlus Open turned heads in 2023, and for good reason. It was essentially a rebranded Oppo Find N5 with a sleek design and powerhouse performance. Fans loved it, and it's safe to say it set a high bar for foldable phones. Now, Oppo has confirmed the next chapter, the Find N5, set to drop in China this February. And yes, this foldable is expected to hit the global stage as the OnePlus Open 2. But here's where it gets interesting. A fresh leak has spilled some major details about the Find N5, giving us a sneak peek at what the OnePlus Open 2 might bring to the table. Let's break it down. First up, the camera. The leak shows a centrally placed camera module with a circular design, giving off OnePlus 13 vibes. The telephoto lens will sit in the upper left of the module, the flash in the lower right, and, of course, Hasselblad branding smacked right in the middle. Classy, right? Now, here's where Oppo is really aiming to flex. According to Oppo's senior VP, the Find N5 will be the world's thinnest foldable. That's a bold claim, considering the Honor Magic V3 currently holds the crown with a crazy thin 4.35mm unfolded profile. The Find N5 is rumored to measure less than 9.2mm when folded and just 4mm unfolded. If true, that's insane engineering. The leak doesn't stop there. Apparently, the inner display will have a barely noticeable crease, which has been a major pain point for foldables. Plus, there's a small punch hole notch in the top right corner for the selfie cam. And if you're all about aesthetics, the Find N5 is expected to come in white, black, and possibly more color options. So, whether you like to keep it classic or bold, Oppo might have you covered. It's looking like Oppo and OnePlus are ready to shake up the foldable game yet again. What do you think about these leaks? Excited for what's coming next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates. Peace.